In the face of this gathering storm, King Argaleb of Arthedain reclaims the throne of all Arnor. Cardolan does not oppose him, but one faction of the Hillmen of Rodar begin to rebel. They are led by Hualdar, a hill chief in secret league with Angmar. Moving to crush this resistance, Argaleb has Hualdar seized and moves into Rudar. But Angmar, its power ready, advances into the weakest of the Dunedain realms. Thus, one man's lust for power has given the Witch King an opportunity, and he will seize it with both hands.
Before Hualdar was captured, he secretly gathered supporters in the hills. Even now, our agents walk among them. There are 4 villages of Rudar Hillmen in this area. We must find them and kill all who do not join us.
If we free Hualdar from Arnor's outpost in the south before raising rebellion in the villages, more of the Hillmen will join us.
The Witch King is here, and we stand with him. You'll do as you're told. No standing around! We have our orders! The enemy is me. Blood has started to spill!
We move.
No back talk, worms! The darkness waits. Spotted the enemy's camp. Our forces are under attack.
They have no hope.
Blood for the Witch King!
Look, a signal fire! Fighting has begun!
We are ready to strike.
Through the shadows. Waldar Hillseep is free! Death to the Dunedain! We will overthrow the West! Quickly now! We move to new lands. The Iron Crown calls! Building is on. Honor is for the weak.
The darkness shall triumph. Victory will be mine.
Waldar Hillseep is free! Death to the Dunedain! Quiet, maggots! No backtalk, worms! You'll do as you're told. No standing around!
Come forth.
Enemy troops are near. Our forces are under attack. Pick it up, you layabouts! Waldar Hillseep is free! Death to the Dunedain!
All shall kneel before the Iron Crown. Victory will be mine.
We've seen the enemy!
The is at hand.
Fighting has begun! Have at it, maggots!
All shall kneel before the Iron Crown. Obey.
I am first of the King's men.
Waldar Hillseek is free! Death to the Dunedain!
The shadows fall.
Angmar shall prevail. Victory will be mine.
We've spotted enemy troops! Battle is joined! No back worms! Pay attention, scum!
Now that the Hillmen have risen against Arnor, it is time for the final conquest of Rudour. The two strongholds to the west are all that remain in our way. We have Thrallmasters to summon hordes of rebel hillmen to our ranks. Now build an outpost and raise an army to lay waste to this land.
I can bring
The enemy is
Thrall to
attacking
command.
our forces.
Who shall I bring to our banner? I can
Or
bring
travel
Thrall
from
to
Gundabad.
command. Come to our banner, filthy raven from the hills.
The enemy is near.
The darkness shall triumph.
Quiet, maggots!
Get ready to build. Angmar must grow stronger.
Pay attention, scum!
You'll build for the Iron Crown. We're done with that one. I await the Witch King's command.
Shall kneel before the Iron.
Our new building is ready. I have stone and iron to use for Angmar. Here's more work for you lazy worms. We have completed a new way. Awaits the Witch King's command. Our new building is complete. I have stone and iron to use for Angmar. Build it strong.
Vengeance is mine. Come forth.
We've built a new hall of the King's Men.
Come forth. These lands shall suffer.
Our new building is ready.
Will be mine.
Don't let the trolls see you slacking. Build it for the Witch King. Get back to work or you'll be thrown to the wolves. That place is no good for building.
We bring silent death. Wait for battle. We bring silent death.
The fire's burning our new Dark Iron Forge.
We herald the Iron Crown.
Pay attention, Scott. You'll do as you're told. Quiet, maggots. No backtalk, worms.
We've got
We
a
have our
new
orders.
den.
Move!
Our wolves can wear spiked collars now.
We wait for
Our
battle.
forces are under attack.
You'll do as you're told. We have our orders. Move!
Discern silence. We are ready to strike.
Our forces have spotted the enemy. They're attacking in distance. We found an enemy camp.
No backtalk, worms!
The Iron
Pay attention, Scott. They are weak and pathetic!
The Dark Iron Forge has been expanded. We spotted the enemy's camp.
Keep shooting! Send them back! Set up the ambush.
The enemy is attacking our forces.
You'll do as you're told. Quiet, maggots! Pay attention, Scott. Quiet, maggots! You'll do as you're told.
Shall kneel before
Pay
the
attention, Scott.
crown.
Get ready to build. Build it strong.
You'll do as you're told. No backtalk, worms! I am
There
the
are
fist of
trolls
Angmar.
and wolves in our new
Faster,
den.
or you'll feel my club.
The
Wait
building
for
belongs to
it.
the Witch King now. Enemy troops are near.
You'll do as you're told.
The blood has started to spill. has been expanded. Battle is joined.
Pick it up, you layabouts! I can bring thralls to command. I will lead our wolf riders into battle.
You'll build for the Iron Crown.
Quiet, maggots!
They're attacking at distance. We've seen the enemy.
I am the Fist of Angmar.
The Dark Iron weapons are ready. The darkness waits. We go to war. The Iron Crown.
Pay attention, Scott.
Fighting has begun.
Master, I feel like with the Witch King.
Buildings are being
No
attacked.
back talk, worms!
The enemy is attacking our builder. Our builder has been killed. The Dark Iron armor is ready.
Who shall I bring to our banner? I bring filthy spearmen from the hills. You'll do as you're told.
We have freezing arrows now. I am first of the king's men. The blood has started to spill.
Fear the Iron.
Pay attention, Skagats.
We serve the Iron Crown.
Pay attention, scum.
The Hall of the King's Men is greater than ever. The new upgrade is ready.
Fear the Iron Crown.
We're on the move.
The den is deeper.
Keep ranks.
Shall triumph.
Quiet, maggots.
The enemy serve the iron. The enemy is attacking our forces.
We shall prevail.
The Hall of the King's Men is greater than ever.
They will submit.
Our forces are under attack.
Well, this evil. You can take this, scum. I am the Fist of Angmar.
The Iron Crown calls.
We will retake our hold. The Iron Crown.
Battle is joined.
Shall kneel before the Iron Crown.
I can bring thralls to command. Who shall I bring to our banner? I speak with the witch king. Travel from Yundaran. Come to our banner. I will lead our wolf riders into battle.
of the West is at hand.
I come to command. Who shall I bring to our banner? I bring filthy spearmen from the hills. No backtalk, worms. You'll do as you're told. No backtalk, worms. I speak with the Witch King's voice. I can bring Froth to command. I am the Fist of Angmar. I will lead our Wolf Riders into battle.
All shall kneel before me. Obey.
You'll do as you're told. We have our orders. Move!
Torches are ready.
Men of Angmar, legions march!
Shall dry out.
The blood is starting to spill. The House of Lamentation is complete.
All shall kneel before the iron.
My axe sings!
No backtalk, worms!
Vengeance is mine.
This is the Witch King now.
I can taste them. Victory will be mine.
The
Obey.
ice munitions are cold enough now. We've seen the enemy. We found an enemy
Shall kneel
The
before
Iron
the
Crown
iron.
attacking our forces! The darkness waits.
I know the hills. No backtalk, worms!
Our forces are under attack.
Vengeance is mine.
I have stone and iron to use for Angmar. The ice munitions are cold enough now. Our walls have the strength of ice.
I bring death to the West.
Get ready to build. Toil for
Fighting
the
has
Iron
begun.
Crown. Black
no
Rangers. Our new building is complete. Angmar must grow stronger. Build it for the Witch King. We spotted enemy troops.
Pay attention.
The enemy is attacking our forces.
Quiet, maggots. Faster, or you'll feel like luck.
The blood is starting to spill.
No back talk, worms.
Before the iron.
Finish that one.
All will perish.
We serve the Witch King now.
Men of Angmar!
All shall kneel before me. Come forth. Vengeance is mine.
I speak with the Witch King's voice. I can bring Froth to command. I bring filthy spearmen from the hills, do as you're told. I come to command. Where I go, Froth
Getting
follow.
bigger?
The darkness shall triumph.
Get back to work. Enough standing around. Time to move. Build it strong.
Quiet, maggots.
All shall kneel before the iron crown. We move.
The enemy is weak. They're bombarding us. We've spotted the enemy's camp.
Must prevail.
The Witch King has been slain. Our forces are under attack.
Keep shooting.
The Iron Crown calls. Show our strength!
Fighting has
Pick it
begun.
up, you layabout.
Shadows show our strength.
I know the hills.
I am first of the King's men. We go to war. The Iron Crown calls. We move to strike. Save the enemy. Battle at last.
The enemy is attacking our forces!
They are too strong.
We have completed a new fortress! Morgamir has been slain! Battle is joined!
We rule the I bleed, tear it apart.
Waldar has fallen!
All will perish.
Witch King's forces are victorious!
I am the Fist of Angmar.
We are ready to strike.
Battle is joined!
Rangers, ready. Through the shadow. The shadow guides us. Through the shadow.
I speak with the Witch King's voice.
The blood has started
Who
to
shall I
spill!
bring to our banner? Orc rabble from Gundabad, come to our banner!
Men of the North Kingdom, this day we shatter the upstart of Angmar and restore the glory of the Dunedain! To battle and victory!
Battle is joined!
King Argaleb of Arthedain has arrived to help the men of Arnor. Let the ravens feast on his flesh. Blood for the Witch King.
The fighting has begun! Our builder is under attack!
Hillman spirit cannot be so easily crushed!
I have returned.
I am
We are
first
under
of the
attack.
king's men.
We must fight them off again! Our forces are under attack!
We bring silent
Fortress
death.
has been destroyed!
We herald the Iron
We
Crown.
cannot build any more troops! The enemy is near.
I am the Fist of
We
Angmar.
found an enemy camp.
Enemy near.
The enemy is attacking our forces!
I speak with the Witch King's voice. I can bring Thrall to command. Orc rabble from Gundabad, come to our banner!
The blood is starting to spill!
All will perish.
attack! The enemy's in our camp! The enemy's returned!
Fear the Iron Crown.
The Iron Crown calls! Enemy troops are near! Battle is joined! Our buildings are being attacked! Ha! Men of Angmar! Drown in battle! The fighting has begun! The darkness waits! We are one with the blade! For Angmar and Khan Doom! We are under attack! The blood is starting to cleanse! We march! I am first of the King's men! Red fields and victory!
The darkness shall these lands. We move.
Men of Angmar! The darkness waits! Take their hands! Our forces are under attack! Let's get moving! We're on the move!
I bring death to the west. The end has come for the West.
Do not hesitate! Legions, march! The Iron Crown calls! Move! Do not hesitate! spotted the enemy's camp.
We spotted enemy troops!
The enemy is attacking our forces!
Fighting has begun!
Chief of the chiefs!
Men of Angmar!
Our forces are under attack!
None can stand before the might of
King Argaleb is slain, his hope for a unified North Kingdom shattered with his pride in the ruins of Rudar. Waldar takes his place as a leading commander serving the Iron Crown, while his people provide more minions for the Thrall Masters. But despite their wounds, the Dunedain are not without power. The fortified Weather Hills and fortress at Amansul stand as a shield protecting Fornost and the heart of Arnor.